Hey everyone, if you want to use your phone as a webcam with DroidCam, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you everything you need to know to get started. So let's get started. First, install the DroidCam app on your Android phone or iPhone, and install the DroidCam client on your Windows PC. Once both apps are installed, connect your phone and computer using either the same Wi-Fi network or a USB cable. Next, open the DroidCam app on your phone and launch the DroidCam client on your computer. If you're using Wi-Fi, enter the device IP address and port number displayed on your phone into the PC client. If you're using USB, simply select the USB connection option and make sure USB debugging is enabled on Android. Now choose whether you want to enable video, audio, or both, then click the Start or Connect button. After a few seconds, you should see your phone's camera appear on your computer screen. Once DroidCam is connected, open any app that supports webcams, such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Discord, Skype, or OBS Studio. In the app's camera settings, select DroidCam Source or DroidCam Video as your webcam. If you want to use your phone's microphone, select DroidCam Audio as the microphone as well. For the best results, use good lighting, clean your phone's camera lens, and keep your phone on a stable stand. Using a USB connection can also provide smoother video with less lag during meetings or live streams. If DroidCam doesn't connect, double-check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, verify the IP address and port number, or reconnect the USB cable and try again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use DroidCam as a webcam for video calls, online meetings, live streaming, and content creation. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next